Welcome back to Electric Wheels Update, where speed meets luxury and imagination meets engineering reality. Today we're diving into something that sounds almost impossible, the 2026 Bugatti Hyper Motor Home. Yes, Bugatti, the brand known for building some of the fastest and most exclusive hypercars in the world, has stepped into an entirely new category. And instead of toning things down, they've gone completely over the top. From the very first glance, this machine doesn't look like a traditional motorhome at all. The exterior design carries the unmistakable Bugatti DNA. The iconic horseshoe grille sits proudly at the front, reimagined with a massive gloss black surround and active aero shutters that open and close depending on cooling needs. The body is sculpted with flowing carbon fiber panels, sharp aerodynamic channels, and dramatic LED light signatures that stretch across the front and rear. It looks less like an RV and more like a hypercar that somehow grew into a luxury mansion on wheels. The paint options are just as wild as you'd expect. Two-tone exposed carbon fiber, deep metallic blues, and hand-polished chrome accents give it a presence that makes supercars look ordinary. Massive turbine-style alloy wheels fill the arches, wrapped in ultra-high performance tires specially developed to handle both the weight and the speed of this beast. Even the side mirrors are replaced with sleek camera pods to reduce drag, while hidden door handles and seamless glass panels keep the profile clean and futuristic. Around the back, a full-width light bar glows like a spaceship, sitting above an active rear diffuser that adjusts at speed. There's even a deployable rear wing, yes, on a motorhome, automatically rising to improve stability when cruising at high velocities. Every inch of the exterior screams performance first, luxury second, and compromise nowhere. Now let's talk about what makes this thing truly insane: performance. Underneath that sculpted carbon shell sits a hybrid powertrain derived from Bugatti's Hypercar technology. At the heart is a quad-turbocharged W16 engine paired with 3 electric motors, producing a combined output of over 1,800 horsepower. That's more power than most race cars, in something you can technically sleep in. Power is sent to all 4 wheels through an advanced dual-clutch transmission and torque vectoring system that constantly adjusts grip and balance. Despite its size, the Hyper Motor Home launches from 0 to 100 km/h in under 4 seconds. Let that sink in, a luxury motorhome that can out-accelerate sports cars. Top speed is electronically limited for safety, but it still exceeds 250 km/h, making it the fastest motorhome ever imagined. The chassis uses a carbon fiber monocoque structure combined with adaptive air suspension that scans the road ahead. It lowers at high speeds for aerodynamics and raises when driving over rough terrain or entering campsites. Active anti-roll systems keep body movement incredibly flat, so even at highway speeds, it feels planted and stable. Massive carbon ceramic brakes with multi-piston calipers ensure that all that power can be brought under control with confidence. But Bugatti didn't forget efficiency either. The hybrid system allows short-distance all-electric driving, perfect for quiet movement through campgrounds or city centers. Regenerative braking and smart energy management help balance performance with a surprising level of practicality. Step inside, and the cabin feels like a 5-star hotel designed by a race team. The interior blends handcrafted luxury with advanced technology in a way only Bugatti could pull off. Soft, hand-stitched leather covers nearly every surface, paired with polished aluminum, open-pore wood, and carbon fiber trim. Ambient lighting runs along the walls and ceiling, adjustable to match your mood, whether you're relaxing at night or cruising under city lights. The driver's area looks like a hypercar cockpit, with a minimalist digital display, a sculpted steering wheel, and precision machined controls. Behind that, the space opens into a full luxury lounge. There's a plush seating area that converts into a sleeping space, a compact but ultra-premium kitchenette with hidden induction cooktops, and a dining table that folds seamlessly into the wall. Toward the rear, you'll find a private master sleeping area with a full-size bed, integrated storage, and panoramic glass panels that can turn opaque at the touch of a button. The bathroom features a rainfall shower, smart glass mirrors, and high-end fixtures that feel more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. Technology is everywhere but never overwhelming. A central AI system controls climate, lighting, entertainment, and security through voice commands or a sleek touchscreen panel. A premium surround sound system turns the cabin into a private concert hall, while satellite connectivity ensures you're never out of touch, no matter how remote your adventure gets. The 2026 Bugatti Hyper Motor Home isn't just transportation, and it isn't just accommodation. It's a statement, a rolling showcase of what happens when hypercar performance meets ultra-luxury living. It breaks every rule of what a motorhome is supposed to be and replaces it with something bold, dramatic, and completely unforgettable. That's it for today's deep dive from Elactric Wheels Update. If you thought Bugatti only built record-breaking speed machines, think again. Now they might just be building the fastest hotel suite on wheels the world has ever seen.